So he was just standing at the station and he was lost. And think about it, what I have to do, why I not went away from here. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the distressed platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only the touch of sadness, not for loss of money, but for loss of trust. So, what happened? Hari was just left alone on the platform. He was in the dilemma where to go because he don't have any friend. Always he thought that friends are not helpful. They are always making a trouble to us. So that is why he was not making anyone to his friend. And if he went to any hotel nearby the station, they will suspect on them. So that is why he did not like to go to the hotel. Least should be with the suspected. And the thief thought that Anil would be, he was just describing that where I have to go because there is nothing to be, where I have to go. I know the person in this city to whom I have to believe, and that is the person Anil, to whom I have robbed. So how can I go again to his house? That is the thing. In my short career of as a thief, he was saying Hari Singh was just share his experience that I'm thefting many of the people, and I learned the faces. I learned their face gestures and postures also. That what if when the person who was just lost their goods, greedy man showed fear that he was now he what happened to me and all that thing. The rich man showed anger every time. Poor ones showed the acceptance, okay, it happens with me because my destiny is like that and all that thing. But I know that the Anil face was sad because he was not thinking about money, he was thinking about the trust that he had done on me. So the thief thought that Anil would be sad, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust he had reposed on him, on Anil. So it could very uneasy situation for the Hari. He was thinking about what I had done that is very bad because previously he was not thinking no one can trust on him, no one can give a place to him at his home. But here he was giving his place. He just fed him whatever the money he have. He was just fed him. So that is why he was thinking about a man. And I already told you the 2 points are there. One more is that he was trusting on the Hari, and second thing, the Hari was taking interest in the studies also. He want to learn because previously no one can teach him. Now he was taking the interest on that thing. So these 2 points are there. That is why the Hari Singh was thinking about the Anil, and he was thought that what I had done that is wrong. I found myself in the midden and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly. It was very early November, and the light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and the cold wind blew the rain across my face. So, what the Hari Singh is saying that I was alone there, and what I had done, I was seated there on the bench, and it was drizzling when I went to the midden and sat down on the bench. His clothes got detached. He was back to the bazaar. Then he was thinking about that I have to be go to the bazaar again and I have to go to the Hari again. So what happened? Uh, that he was thinking about, and just he went away from there and want to go again back. I went back to the bazaar and sat down on the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes where they were damper from the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook for his meal, run to the bazaar to learn, and to write whole sentence anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the thief theft. Whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter or to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn and read and write. So what happened when he went? His clothes was detached, and he come back to the bazaar, and he was just seated there and took a shelter under the clock tower. It was midnight at that time. He thought and realized that he had let go to the chance of being respectable man, because what he was thinking about, that first of all he was thinking about that maybe when I will, if this is 650 rupees with the Anil, so what he will do, he will give me 2 3 rupees, and he told me that go and see the cinema. But now I have the money, I have the whole money. He was just think about it. Then he was thinking about, he was excited, and he was said that whole sentence, who want to be learn that thing, whole sentence, who want to be go again and again to the market to make the 1 rupee per day, and who want to cook the meal for him. No, now I have the money, I will enjoy it again. Uh, at a moment he think about it, he had forgotten about that, the excitement of the learning that he was enjoying, because he want to be a respectable man. He said that what I am doing in my life, I'm just thefting the things, some of the 100 rupees I'm thefting, then what I'm doing, I'm just enjoying that money, and then that money was just finished. Every time I'm fearing that police will come and just arrest me. So if I learn, if I learn something, if I am a able person, then what I have to be do, but I will be big man, I will be respectable man. So I have to be go again to the Anil, because my this desire will be completed by only the that person, that Anil. So he wants to be a respectable man in his life, so he realizing, and he went away to the Anil. Anil was Anil was taking pain to teach him reading and writing, because he decided that I will make this person a new person. So that is why. So he decided to go back to Anil and reach his home, and Anil was still asleep. He slipped the money at its usual place, and he slept till the late hours in the that thing. So here he had, I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it. So it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood on the doorway. In clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I I remained still to a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the note. So what he had done, he was just slowly he put the money under the bed of the Anil. So it was hard work, but he had done. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. So what happened next morning? Because I come late and I want to be just I slept there, and next morning I awake late. uh, Anil had already prepared the tea and he served the tea to me, and he come to me, and there is a 50 rupees note in his finger. So I thanked. I thought about that he was discovered that I have stolen the money. And then he explained me that yesterday I got some money and I will pay you for the salary regularly. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So what happened? He just took the money from the Anil's hand, but he realized that it was wet, and Anil also observed that thing, but he doesn't say a single word to the Hari Singh. That is why he was thinking, today I will start writing sentence, he said. So Hari Singh said that from by tomorrow I will start to write the sentence. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without effort. So in the end, narrator wants to say that he reached the home, he slipped the money there, he slept to late hours, and when then the next day Anil had made a tea before him. Hari Singh woke up. Anil offered him a 50 rupees note. He also promised him to pay him regularly. The note was still wet. Anil understood everything, but he doesn't expose the thief's doing. Instead, Anil said that they would start writing sentence that day. Hari Singh felt guilty and smiled shamefully, but he was just because he rectified his mistakes. So that is why Anil just you can say Anil give him the give him a chance to make a respectable man in the future. It was a good decision from both the sides. So this is the story. It teaches that if we have done something wrong, we have to rectify our mistake. First thing. Second thing is that every time, whatever, if we are learning something, if we are, so we have to be praised that thing. We have to not to rob, not to give the wrong information to the truthful person. So this is the most moral of this